Hey, what's good guys? It's your boy Fontek over here on another video. In this one guys, I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max in midnight green here. So as well as guys, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, that's the box. It's fully in black here. I really like it. Like, unlike other iPhones, it's not white anymore. So I'm going to take this off only real quick. It's easy to take off. Here we have the box. I really love the box design again. And that's the iPhone. So gorgeous here. Really nice color. So it says here Apple Ink. And that's in midnight green. The color is really amazing here. It's in a matte finish, as you can see. Of course, glass back. Gonna leave the phone aside here. You have the paperwork. Apple stickers. Then you've got the fast charger. So unlike the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max come with a fast charger. For the first time, finally, Apple added this to the box. You've got the earphones here, and just a power charger, but cable. But this time the cable is with USB-C here from one side, and the other one is just Lightning, so it's a bit different this time. So you won't be capable of using an older cable with this charger. And guys, gonna turn on the phone here. So yeah, the phone definitely feels heavy in the hand here. Like I use an iPhone XS Max, for example, and it feels a bit lighter. This one is a bit heavier, actually. Makes sense because the battery is like 750 milliamps bigger, and Apple claims that it will add like 5 extra hours. Or let's say with like max power usage, it will be, of course, less. I feel that the screen is very bright here, so I definitely notice the screen is really, really good. And I'm gonna be, guys, comparing this phone to my iPhone XS Max and other videos. So I hope you guys liked it. That's the unboxing here. So guys, I apparently forgot to take this off. I'm gonna do it right now for you guys. Just because I love it. And again, guys, peace out.